Hi, we're walking right now. She's
We're walking in the rain.
yes, it's raining. Also, uh, we're walking around. She's steering me again. She's uh, she's already finished eating, so
Yeah, so
we're
good.
yeah, she likes it a lot. Oh, it's
Shall
against
we
the light.
cross over here?
Yes, let's cross right now. We're crossing the road. So yes.
The road is so, I think, a little bit dusty because my nose becomes itchy.
Oh, she has an itchy nose because of the dust. Yes. She doesn't have a natural itchy nose because of the dust. Don't misunderstand it, okay?
Yeah,
So yeah, where are we heading?
I don't know. Just go there and walk there.
Oh, they're giving us a weird look.
Yeah,
Like
actually,
a long time ago. Yes, we were. Then. Oh my gosh, there's a spider. We're passing a vintage corner. Oh, this one? That one. Can you see it?
when I picked up my ball when I was in grade 5 with someone,
Listen to the story.
something like, I don't know if he or she, but someone who says, um, they
Really?
were so scared of it. They said that that house is haunted.
But there's so many chickens.
Oh, yeah. There's so many chicken there, but I don't know. Maybe they are just living there and just leave it there.
Oh.
I really don't know about the story.
Ah, if you're
Also,
wondering, oh,
over here,
ooh, they have hair coloring. Look. Oh, I want to color my hair. I want to dye my hair.
you dye your hair.
Yes, I dyed my hair, but it doesn't change at all.
Yeah, because your hair is alive. Actually, yeah, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, she's kidding. She kids. I mean, she jokes a lot.
Not so.
If you're wondering, she's taller than me. Yet I'm the older one. I'm I'm 1 year older. Am I? Am I
Yeah,
1 year older?
you're on your own.
Yes. I'm 1 year older and yet she's very tall. Taller than me. I don't know why. Maybe the height speaks me.
No, it's not. But she's more talented than you. She's really a good dancer.
Oh my gosh.
You're a singer, right?
Oh my gosh. And yeah. I've been working on my new lyrics.
Can you move over there?
Yes.
They're really staring at
they're
us.
yeah, they're staring at us again. A weird look. I don't know why. They're giving us a weird look. Oh my gosh, there's a poo. We'll be back later, okay? Cause someone just asked me if we will rode the tricycle. So I declined their offer. I mean, yes. Bye.